Hi my Dazzlers, hope you're all safe and at your best. So today I'm here to discuss a few very important things and my new schedule, of course. I request you all to be patient and watch till the end of the video. I'm sure people who watch my videos regularly know that I have been posting 3 videos a week. 2 videos are purely tutorials and talk to me kind, and I post them on Mondays and Thursdays. And the other one is a review video and I post it on Saturdays. So today I specifically want to talk about the review videos, and I'll tell you why it became important for me to talk to you about this. So recently I posted a review video and a few pointed out that I wasn't fair or the video was sponsored, the product isn't great. So I think it's important for me to separate the facts from fiction and explain the process. Apart from celebrity looks, I receive many requests to do reviews on newly launched products, be it skincare, cosmetic or hair care. So similarly, like any other YouTuber or influencer, I too receive requests from the brands to try out their products and review them. So I use the products for 2-3 weeks and make a review video out of my experience. And more often than not, I try keeping the requests, especially when I have the products and there are requests from you guys to review a particular product. And trust me, I feel the happiest when I get to create something for you and your appreciation is a bonus. But there is a risk I run every time I allow a product to be a part of my skincare routine. And no matter how short the duration is, still the risk is huge. So there's always these new brands coming and they want me to try their products and review their products. I do my research, I check their reviews on different sites, and then I try it on myself. But still there is a huge risk. To name a few, skin discoloration, allergies can occur while trying a new product. So it's really not that easy to try on a new product knowing that how badly it can affect my skin. A few years back, before becoming a full-time YouTuber, I had breakouts and I consulted a doctor, and since then I realized how important it is to consult a doctor before trying anything new on your skin. Even today, I show the ingredients before trying anything on my skin to my dermatologist. To some extent, that confirms whether the ingredients are harmless or not. There's still a risk of harming my skin unknowingly, even though the brand may have great reputation. I'm sure many of you must have experienced this, and I did too, and that comes as a big surprise. For an example, a couple of months back, I did a review video for an onion range. That was a hair care range of an Indian brand, and I received so many negative comments, and few also questioned my integrity. A few thought that the product was not that great, but then what do? I really love the product and my family loves the product. This might also be a fact that it doesn't work for some of the people. And I understand that, and things cannot be just black and white. We all shop online, and before buying a product, we always check the review of the product and the comment section of the product. I usually go for products which have 4+ ratings, at least 4 ratings, not less than that. And even though you select a product which is 5 rating, you'll still see 7 to 10% of people, they reviewed the product or they rated the product as 1. How do you think that works? I don't know. But it only proves one point, that our skin reacts very differently to different products, different chemicals, even if they are organic ingredients. Now think about this. If you are allergic to nuts or brinjals, no matter how organic you buy, no matter how much money you spend on those, even if you grow them at your backyard without any pesticide, you will still get allergies. Does that mean that there's some problem with that nut or brinjal? It's not that easy, right? So sometimes, really, it's not just about the product or ingredient. One might have issues because of many pathological reasons. I really think that we should not judge or put a template on the product as plain good or plain bad until and unless something is horribly wrong. Guys, that is exactly the reason why I always ask you to consult a dermatologist in the comment section. Don't take a chance when it comes to your skin's health. You must have noticed there are a few products that I constantly keep repeating in my videos. If I really love a product, I use them a lot and you will get to see them in my videos. For example, I love my LA Girl concealer. I love the L'Oreal concealer. I can't do without my Sugar Eyebrow product. Although there are some products I immediately refuse to review or promote, like fairness creams, skin lightening products, products with steroids, supplements, etc. And you all know that very well. I have already shared a few stories on my Instagram regarding this and YouTube videos as well. And now that we have a chance to create a platform for the local brands to flourish, why not try out Indian products? Why not try a brand that's made in India? Honestly, I love reviewing brands from India. Now, they can be great, they can be not so great, or they can be average. I love reviewing local brands, but I always, before trying any product, I always consult with my dermatologist and then go for them. Also, you guys know that I'm trying to switch to products that are cruelty-free, and this is totally for ethical and environmental reasons. I feel great using products that are not tested on animals, and one day I'm sure I will be able to discard all the brands and products that do not meet this criteria. Needless to say, in none of my videos I force you guys to try or purchase a product. I'm sure no one does, but at the end of the day, you will decide what you want to buy. I certainly don't expect any of you to buy all the products, all the serums that I reviewed in the last few videos. I mean, that would be crazy. In my review videos, I show the usage, I share the key ingredients of the product. If you're aware of the nature of your skin and the things that you're allergic to, then you can take a call whether the product is safe for you. Even better if you can consult a dermatologist. It's that easy. Well, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I know that you guys love me so much. You guys have been wonderful and so supportive in my journey to 100K. I hope now you understand the process of how I do these review videos and some ground rules that I follow. My only request is to follow my videos carefully and you will know the products I really love because they keep appearing in my videos. I don't repeat anything which is not great. Also consult a dermatologist, know your skin, know what you're allergic to, know things that you should avoid, and then you can try new products according to your requirement. Do a bit of homework before buying any product. Check its rating on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, or any other site. Read its reviews. It's very important to know a great deal about products you want to spend on. If some other YouTuber or I find some product that is great, that is good, that is not so great, just remember it might not be the same for you. Well, I think I have shared a lot. It's now time for you to share your thoughts and write a comment. I would love to know what you think and I sincerely hope that you will understand. Okay, so that is it. Now I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care everyone and go forth and dazzle. Okay, I forgot. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment on below. And subscribe to my channel. Oh my god. Welcome to our 100K family and yeah, click on the bell icon and yeah, bye.